HobbyToysTV.
Hey guys, are you ready to open up the Play-Doh picnic bucket? I sure am. Cookie Monster, why are you outside? Today, I am making picnic. Yum. You want sandwich? Even Bombird is joining us in the tree. Hello. Let's get the bread mold. Now let's make our ham. No sandwich would be complete without some cheese. We have bread, we have some ham, cheese. It's missing something else. I know, how about some lettuce? Hey, scat, bird, scat, you're eating our lunch. Now let's make some bananas. An apple will add some yumminess to our picnic. Now let's make a pear. A strawberry. Our strawberry needs some seeds. Bombird, will you make the pretzel for us? Hey, what about my cookie? Now we're gonna sprinkle some chocolate chips on there. This one has 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The sandwich is gone! Cookie Monster, did you eat it? No, I didn't eat it. It was Bombird. Bom, bom, bom! Now all the fruit is gone. What are we gonna do with that Bombird? I'm going to eat cookie before Bombird comes. You stole my strawberry. Do you see what I see? Little Bombird, you stole our picnic food. Thanks for enjoying our picnic. Maybe next time we'll get to actually eat the food instead of Bombird.